college, the wonderful time for almost people. But 5 years ago, if someone asked me how college in Vietnam, I'm gonna say it sucks. Because we spend 5 hours each day for boring classes, none of us had any idea about how we could use those kinds of unrealistic and useless knowledge in the future. The rest of time after class, we wasted for something like this, and this every day as a routine. So in a wonderful day of the second year in college, I and my two roommates decided to do something different, and we came up with an idea of joining the student science competition. That was pretty nervous because the competition was for all students, but actually all of them were in the fourth or final year. They made some fancy things like robot or the project how to clean water resources or how to prevent flood for the city. Compared to them, we were just freshmen, not enough of experience and knowledge. By the suggestion of our teacher about an old wagon in our college, we came up with an idea about improve it to make a railway wagon which can drop material by automatically open its bottom. So what did we have at that time? We have the mechanical knowledge as our major. Electrical and hydraulic fluid knowledge is for the fourth and final year. We know a little bit about AutoCAD and SolidWorks software for 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions design. So in general, our railway wagon was designed by using only mechanical system. That was the tough time because design a mechanical system like a railway wagon and make it work is not easy. We struggle in many parts, such as how to make it able to open its bottom automatically or how to connect that part to the original wagon. But we didn't give up, and after 2 months, our wagon design was done. A part of the project was to make a smaller version of the wagon, which can work exactly as the design. The railway is the only part that we could make by ourselves, because our school lab does not have enough equipment to make the wagon. In the second part of the project, we spent almost our time on the motorbike to go and buy the material and order a company to make the wagon based on our design. Everything was on the right track until we learned the next lesson about the differences between what we study in class and what they really do in reality. It's absolutely different. There was not right or wrong, but we and the real mechanics didn't have the same way to understand the design. They read the design in a different way, which is easier to make the wagon. On the other hand, we just design it based on what we learned in school, but we didn't think about the step when we make it. So we spent 1 more week to redo all the designs in their way. We went to the company every day to make sure no more problem. And finally, we did it.
Thêm
Even there
hệ
was
thống
no award
dây thừng
for
kéo
our
có phải
small
được thay
project,
bằng động cơ điện.
but
Bây
at
giờ nó
least
vẫn là động
we
cơ đời
realized
kéo.
that we didn't waste our time in college.
Đây
We
là hệ
learned
thống
how to work
cụm móc
as a
khóa.
team,
Bắt đầu
and
cho
we
xe chạy đi.
found our passion in the major that we chose.
Khi mà xe chạy
That
đến
was mechanical
giá mở
engineering.
thì cụm móc khóa sẽ va vào giá mở. Nó xô nảy lên và móc khóa rời ra và cánh cửa sẽ bung vật liệu rơi xuống. Tiếp theo là quá trình đóng. Xe đi đến giá đóng và lại va vào làm hệ thống cam cả cánh cửa lên và xe sẽ tự động đóng lại cửa thoát liệu. Kết thúc một chương trình làm
Fix me up, will you show me home? The end of the day